Now, welcome back to part 2 of this video. Now, let's go to question number 2. In a college, 60 students enroll in chemistry. Let's be writing it down like that. 50 students enrolled in chemistry, 60, 40 in physics, okay, and 30 in what? In biology. 30 in biology, 15 in chemistry and physics. Chemistry and physics, that's 15. 10 in physics and biology. 10 in physics and bio, that is 10. And 5 in biology and chemistry. 5 in biology and chemistry, that is just 5. Now, no one enroll in all, that is nobody is doing all of them. That means no one is doing all of them, no one. Okay, now they said find how many enrolled in at least one object. Now, when you have the word at least, it means one object, two object, three object, like that. So one object, two object. Because no one enroll in this, you don't have to go for three object. Now we have at least one, that means one object, two objects. So now we need to calculate. The word only is not here, but at least one is telling us that they want two objects only, one object only. That is, the combination of them will make at least one subject. So now let's go for it. Number of chemistry only, I told you how to calculate this. Just 60 minus, where do you see chemistry again? 15 abi, plus where do you see chemistry again? 5 minus what? This one, which is 0. So you have 60 minus 20, that will give you what? 40. Okay, number of physics only, is 40 minus, where do you see physics again? 15 plus 10, because it's 0 we don't need to write it. So 40 minus 25, 40 minus 25, that will be 40 minus 25, that will give us what? 15. So number of biology only, how do we get that? It is very simple. 30 minus, where do you see biology again? 10, right? 10 plus, where do you see biology again? 5. We have to minus 0, but because of 0, so we don't need to write it. Then you have 30 minus 10 minus 10 plus 5, that will give you 15. Then you have 15 here. But don't forget that this is only of what? One subject. Now we still need the only of C and P. Now how do we get the only of this? It just be number of C intercept P minus number of C intercept P intercept B. That is how we get the only of two objects, the intersection of two objects. That's how we get the only. When we're having one object only, we do addition and subtraction, but here we only do the subtraction. So what do we have here? We have 15 minus 0, so that's 15. So you notice that number of physics and biology only will also be 10. Number of biology and chemistry only will also be what? 5. Why? Because you are having general intersection, which is chemistry intersect physics intersect biology, to be what? To be 0. But assuming it is 1, we are going to be minusing 1 from every other thing. So number of at least, don't forget that word, at least one subject will now be number of CHM only plus number of biology only plus number of physics only plus number of this only plus number of this only plus number of this only. So what's the next thing? You have 40 plus 15 plus 15 plus 15 again plus 10 plus 5. So let's add them together. 40 plus 30 plus 15 plus 15. So we have a total of what? 100. That means 100 people took at least what? One subject only.